For nearly 40 years, Safety First International has been dedicated to fire prevention and safety in large professional kitchens. Consistently on the rise over recent years, the fire hazard is ever present and unpredictable. It represents a major concern for restaurant professionals. Safety First develops standalone fire protection systems all over the world. Our customers include consultants, kitchen manufacturers, and end users. Whatever the sector of activity, the need for professional equipment means that increasingly diverse materials are used in professional kitchens. All this multiplies the fire hazard. The damage caused by kitchen fires is generally material, destruction of the cooking appliance, of the kitchen, or even of the whole building, resulting in significant financial loss. But the consequences can be even more devastating when human lives are at stake. Most cooking equipment found in a kitchen can be the cause of an accident. Deep fryers, grills, naked flames, skillets, and slow combustion stoves can malfunction. For example, when the thermostat fitted to fryers to regulate the temperature of the oil malfunctions, the temperature can no longer be controlled. The oil overheats and fire breaks out. Yet technical failure is not the only factor that can trigger an accident. Many fires can often be traced back to a lack of vigilance on the part of the kitchen staff. The kitchen is opened and fired up. The fryer is lit, and a few minutes later it catches fire. Why? Was the appliance too full, or filled with oil that was too old? Perhaps it hadn't been properly maintained. There are so many ways a fire can break out. When a fire becomes a blaze, the situation can quickly spiral out of control. The flames spread, and the temperature quickly rises. Thick black smoke can sometimes make a fast response difficult. Whatever the cause, be it human error or defective material, there is the real possibility of a fire eventually breaking out. The installation of fire extinguishing systems that have been specially designed and tested for professional kitchens is therefore a necessity. Safety First International was created in the 1960s. Hailing originally from Canada, we are a medium-sized company that has grown and invested in the North American market. In the 1980s, we decided to turn our attention to the European market. In France, Safety First joined forces with an industrial group specializing in the professional kitchen sector to boost our development by letting other professionals gain from our technology. Safety First International is today recognized as a major equipment supplier offering in-depth expertise in the installation and maintenance of automatic firefighting systems for professional kitchens. This expertise is based on the fact that we select only the finest materials to build our systems. Safety First R&D department has developed a liquid fire extinguishing agent that combines a very low pH with remarkable firefighting qualities. At Safety First, we are also renowned for our rigorous application of technical procedures and strict compliance with international fire prevention and safety standards. Our systems are installed and maintained exclusively by specially trained technicians accredited by Safety First, thus excluding all forms of subcontracting. This approach enables Safety First International to offer all our customers the guarantee of reliable, efficient, and attractive installations. Safety First systems include a tank containing the Safety First low pH extinguishing agent. They consist of a stainless steel fire detection circuit combined with a second fire extinguishing circuit that meets food safety standards. Our systems provide a protection on 3 levels. They stand alone, require no outside power supply, and are triggered automatically. Safety First systems are fixed and modular, designed to integrate unobtrusively into all kitchen environments, whatever their configuration, without impeding their smooth operation. In response to the demands of our customers, Safety First offers a range of services linked to the installation, testing, and services of our systems. We also take charge of resetting our systems after each manual or automatic trip. Each installation has specific requirements. For our technical teams, this means that a detailed study must be carried out in order to define the Safety First system that is most appropriate for the cooking areas to be protected. These specifications will be used during the final installation phase of equipping the kitchen with a customized system that takes account of its individual features and of the requirements expressed by the customer. Safety First teams schedule all our installation work to fit in with the constraints of the kitchen's operational timetable, day or night. Our teams then visit the installation twice a year to check that the system components are functioning correctly and to carry out maintenance operations. Our technicians are always available to train kitchen staff in the use of Safety First systems and to increase their awareness of fire prevention in professional environments. Only accredited Safety First teams are qualified to reset systems once they have been tripped. The kitchen is up and running again, and the customer can get straight back to work. Speed goes hand in hand with attention to detail and quality of service. Each intervention by the maintenance team is carefully logged in the customer's safety logbook. On completion of the visit, the customer receives a test certificate testifying to the correct operation of the fire protection system. This reliability, combined with an in-depth knowledge of the operation of large, professional kitchens, has made Safety First International a benchmark brand, valued and recognized around the world by restaurant professionals. Safety First, your active kitchen sentinel.